Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rick Case Hyundai and Davie. We are located right here off of Weston Road in Davie, Florida. Today we're taking a look at the most premium Palisade, the 2021 Palisade Calligraphy. In today's video, we are focusing on the interior of the car. So without further ado, let's step inside. The Hyundai Calligraphy is equipped with 3-row and 7-passenger seating, you guys. And if you take a look in the second row has captain seats. And what captain seats are, you have a space to walk directly to the back. So you have your own personal walkway. Right now the back seats are down, but in a second we'll go in the back area and I'll show you guys how to access them. So one of the most unique features about the Hyundai Palisade is its Nappa leather seats and the beautiful stitching on the car. Okay, so now we're sitting inside of the Calligraphy, and I want you guys to take a look at this display, you guys. This display is 10.5 inches, which is pretty big. Honestly, it's bigger than a lot of the luxury cars that I've seen. So 10.5 inches, and it has a built-in navigation system. So if you get lost easily or you're not good with direction, this car would be great for you because of the navigation that's inside. You don't have to necessarily rely on your phone. You're also going to have heated and ventilated front row seats and also a heated steering wheel. And another cool thing is you're going to have heated second row seats. So not only do you have heat access to the front seats, but you have it on the second row as well. Right in front of you, you have your heads up display. And then we're going to take a look at a lot of people's favorite feature in the car, which is the sunroof. We're going to have dual sunroof, you guys. You might be wondering where your cup holder access is, where your USB ports are, and that is going to be right here. You are going to push this button and boom, there it goes. So you have 2 cup holders right here, you have a USB port right here, and then here is your wireless charging pad. So I'm taking my phone and I took it off the charger. I'm just going to gently place it on the charging pad. And if you guys can see, my phone is officially charging. If you didn't see, I'll try it one more time for you. Not charging. Charging. Okay, so now I want to take a look at our 3rd row seating in the back here. So I just want to show you guys that these seats are power folding 3rd row seats. So in the back you'll see that you have buttons that you can press to access the 3rd row seating. Let's say you're not necessarily using this back row and instead you want to use it for golf clubs or groceries or just extra space in general. You can always put those seats down, and if you need access to them later, put them back up by pressing these buttons. So now you have access to the left side. Let's try the right now. I'm gonna press this button. So now you have access to all 7 of your seats in your Calligraphy. So let's say I want to put these seats back down. All I have to do is press this button. And that brings down my left side. Now let's bring down my right. And And boom, I have space for my golf clubs again. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. If you can't get enough of the 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, come on in to Rick Case Hyundai in Davie. Again, we are located right off of I-75 here on Weston Road. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thumbs up this video if you want more videos like this. As always, we will see you in the next one.